It is 2024, and if you are watching this video, you are probably looking to buy a car. Now, if your budget is 1 million naira plus or minus, today I have with me 10 cars that you can buy for 1 million naira. Before we go into it, I cannot promise to give you foreign used or brand new cars, but I can show you today 10 Nigerian used cars that you can get for 1 million naira or around the 1 million naira mark. My name is Motileke, and this is the Drive. Number one on our list is 2002 Golf 3. Now, when this car broke into Nigeria's market, it was the heartthrob of Nigerian car drivers. It was that car that people were saving to buy. It's 22 years later, and this car is still very much available. I think it just shows how reliable and how rugged this car has been over the years. For between 650,000 naira and 1.3 million naira, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this car today in 2024. Yes. Number two on our list is the 1999 Toyota Camry. This car is also called the Camry Pencil Light. If you take one good look at this car, you would not need to imagine why it is called the Pencil Light. If you're on a search for a car that is the synonym for rugged, synonym for reliable, you are at the right bus stop. And with just 850,000 naira to 1.2 million naira, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this Toyota Camry. Number three on our list is 2004 Honda Accord. This car is also known as the Honda end of discussion, and it really does end all discussions. In its time, it was literally one of the greatest cars ever produced. Yes, I can say that. Even on today's road, we still sell this car. We are just beginning to see fewer of these cars on the road. It attests to how reliable and how good this car has been over the years. With 1.3 million naira, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this car. Number four on our list is 2004 Peugeot 206. This car is clean, this car is efficient, and has such sweet fuel economy. With 900,000 naira to 1.1 million naira, you can get this car. I think for that price, it's still, yes, Nigerian version, it's still. Number five on our list is 2005 Nissan Premiera. This car is such a good, compact sedan. And over the years, we watched it go from a family car to the favorite of taxi drivers in some parts of the country. Now let me give you one insider info. If you see that a car is being used for public transport, chances are very high that that car is reliable. With 1 million naira, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this Nissan. Number six on our list is 2000 Acura TL. If anything at all, you cannot deny that this car is good looking. Today, it will probably beat newer cars of other brands in a beauty pageant. If you drive this car today, I don't think that you'll get the feel of I'm driving something from way back, like back then. And with 1.2 million naira, you get yourself a Nigerian version of this car right here, right now. Number seven on our list is the Ford Clipper 2000. Are you looking to buy a Matrix and you do not have enough money to buy the Matrix? I think the Ford Clipper 2000 is a car that you should look to. It is just as spacious, just as efficient, and it can carry stuff, and it works just as good as the Matrix. With 1.1 million naira or 1.2 million naira thereabouts, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this Ford. Number eight on our list is the 2001 Honda Civic. Back then, Nigerians trusted this Honda Civic, this very sedan, to carry them about performing their day-to-day tasks. And I've come to tell you today that you can still trust this Honda Civic to do what exactly it was manufactured to do. With 1.1 million naira, you can get yourself a Nigerian version of this, this beauty. Number nine is the 2001 Toyota Corolla. You're probably shocked, but what is a list like this without a Toyota? As I was coming today, I saw them using this particular Corolla as a driving car for a car tutorial, like a driving tutorial school. And then I just thought that it felt like it showed how reliable this car has been even after 22, 23 years. And with 1.1 million naira, you can get yourself this particular Corolla today. Yes, Nigerian version. Number 10 is you. What I want you to do for us is go to the comment section, guess, or tell us a car that you think should go for 1 million naira today. And we're going to tell you if that car is available for 1 million naira today. As usual, please like, share, subscribe to our content. We really do appreciate it. Now, if you're looking to buy this car, any of the cars that we put on this list, or any car at all, please don't hesitate to send us an email at 234drive@gmail.com, and we'll be more than excited to lead you in the right direction. My name is Motileke and this is 234 Drive.